Exercise 4.2, it is factorization of a quadratic equation. Already we know the quadratic equation will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which means x square x constant. The formula that is known as the quadratic equation. Now we have to factorize the given quadratic equation and we have to find the factors and its roots. Roots means x value and factors means we have to split this quadratic equation into two smallest forms. Okay. Now let us take the first Roman letter in exercise 4.2, the first subdivision. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now for the solution side, let us see if it is x square means that is understood as 1x square. So 1x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to coefficient of x square, that is 1, that is plus 1, and b is equal to minus 3, that is coefficient of x, and c is equal to constant term, that is. Now we have to find the product value. For factorization we need product value, that is called PV, and we need addition value, that is called AV. So for product value we have to multiply A and C. So A is plus 1 and C is minus 10. So it becomes 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. So this is called product value. And for addition value means the value of B. So here B is minus 3. This is addition value. As per the factorization rule, product value should be written on the top and addition value should be written below. So we have to make a line like this. Now let us substitute the values. So product value is minus 10, it is written over there on the top, and addition value is minus 3, that is written on the below. Now what are the factors to get 10? Up 10 multiples possible, 1 into 10 is equal to 10. The other possibility is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Then the other possibility is 5 into 2, which means repetition. So only out of these two factors only we have to satisfy. Now let us write 2 into 5. So 2 is over here and 5 is over here. Now how to apply the sign? Addition value minus sign, so that should be applied to over here, so minus. Now we have to check, we have to get minus 10. Already we have applied minus, which means here we have to apply plus. So plus into minus will be minus. 2 into 5 will be 10. So minus 10 is tallied. When we add plus 2 minus 5, so when we add, the greater number sign is minus. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So minus 3 we will be getting. So it should satisfy both the conditions. So when we multiply we have to get minus 10. When we add we have to get minus 3. So this is how we have to apply the symbol. So addition value symbol on the first in the number apply pannirnom. From here we have to check. So minus varnadradanaala already we have applied minus. Up here it should be plus. Up plus into minus will be minus. Okay. Now the next thing is we have to divide by, already we have 1x square over here. So we have to write 1x divided by 1x. So x into x will be x square. So 1 into 1 will be 1. Okay. So this is how we have to write. Now we have to write 1x plus 2 into, don't write any comma over here. So 1x plus 2 into 1x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we have to equate these two factors into 0. So first let us consider 1x plus 2 is equal to 0. So when we simplify, 1x is equal to the plus 2 on the side change minus 2 amaru. So x is equal to minus 2 by 1. As a result x is equal to minus 2. Now the other factor, 1x minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is 1x is equal to 5, because minus 5 when we change this side that becomes plus 5. So x is equal to 5 by 1. So value of x is equal to 5. Now we have to write the result. So roots means the value of x. So minus 2 and 5. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Factors means we have to write this 1x plus 2 and 1x minus 5. So these are the factors. This is how we have to do. First Roman letter, third subdivision, it is given that square root of 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now let us consider a is equal to plus root 2 and b is equal to plus 7 and c is equal to plus 5 root 2. Now the product value means a into c. So a is 1 root 2 into 5 root 2. So 5 will remain as it is. Root 2 into root 2 will be 2. This we know already. In 9th standard we have learned. Okay. Now product value is equal to plus 10. Addition value is equal to plus 7 because value of b. Okay. Now as per the factorization rule, the product value plus 10 should be written on the top and plus 7, that is called the addition value, should be written on the below. Now we have to find the factors. So the product value is 10. So for 10, 1 into 10 will be 10 and 2 into 5 will be 10. So there are two possibilities. So 1 into 10 will not be considered because 2 into 5 can be satisfied both the conditions, product value as well as addition value. When we multiply 2 into 5 we will be getting plus 10. Similarly when we add 2 plus 5 we will be getting 7. So we have to write 2 and 5. Now here the addition value symbol is plus. This has to be substituted with 5. So plus. Now we have to get plus 10, which means we have to apply plus over here. So plus into plus will be plus. When we add, we will be getting plus 7. Now next step is, it is given that square root of 2x square. So we have to write divide by square root of 2x divided by square root of 2x. Now we have to write the factors as square root of 2x plus 2 and square root of 2x plus 5 equal to 0. The first factor is square root of 2x plus 2 equal to 0, which means square root of 2x is equal to minus 2. When we change the side, it becomes minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 by square root of 2. We can cancel because the square root of 2 one time and 2 can be split as square root of 2 into square root of 2. So it becomes square root of 2. So value of x is equal to minus square root of 2. Similarly, for this factor, square root of 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 and square root of 2x is equal to minus 5. So plus 5, when we change the side, that becomes minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by square root of 2. So roots are minus square root of 2 and minus 5 by square root of 2. Factors are square root of 2x plus 2 and square root of 2x plus 5. These are the factors.